Ẹ kúlé, báwo ni? In this lesson, we are going to learn how to make descriptions in Yoruba. The concept may appear a little different from English and some of the other languages we know. Yes, Benny, this is because the principle that is used in Yoruba is not the same as what is used in the language I am speaking at the moment, for example. But I can assure you that this difference makes the method easier. Ẹ bá mi kálọ, come along. So, in Yoruba language, if I wanted to tell you about a big house, what I am going to do is to mention the house first because I consider it, that is the house, the most important part of the phrase. A phrase is a group of words. After mentioning the house, I will then follow it with the description. Fún àpẹẹrẹ, for example, ilé ni house ní Yoruba. Ilé is house in Yoruba. And Nila ni big. Nila is big. So how do we say a big house? We say Ile Nila. The Ile is mentioned first, and you later describe it using Nila. You may also hear some people called Nila Nla. Both of them are correct. Àpẹẹrẹ kejì, the second example. When describing, the word small is kékeré, and car in Yoruba is ọkọ̀. There is another word for car. We have the loaned word from English motor, which means moto. So how would you say a small car? Remember, you say the important thing first. What are we talking about here? It is the car. So, moto, tabi or ọkọ̀. What kind of ọkọ̀? Kékeré. Did you say moto kékeré? Then you got it. Please note that this method is applicable to a wide range of words of description, which may include size, color, manner, and even numbers. So, two children will be ọmọ méjì because ọmọ is child and méjì is two. A little iṣẹ́ ṣíṣe or activity for you. I'm going to give you 3 nouns and 3 words of description. Let us go. Owó, bàtà, ẹ̀wù. The descriptors. Púpọ̀, nílá, funfun. How would you say a lot of money, a big shoe, and a white dress? Did you say the following? If you did, congratulations. If you did not, do it again. You will get it. And if you have questions, be free to comment or write me privately. I will definitely respond. Did you notice that we did not translate the A in those phrases? Why? Because we don't really have to do this in Yoruba unless we really need to. And that is going to be a discussion for another day. Finally, I wish I could tell you that in Yoruba, the principle is just that nouns always come first and the descriptors follow. Rara. No. There are situations where one says the descriptors first because they are important in the phrases, and you even use the nouns to describe them. Interesting, isn't it? The principle, however, remains that important things are meant to be said first. We can make a short lesson about this in the future, but for now, what we have just discussed is the general way of describing in Yoruba language. Ẹ ṣé, orúkọ mi ni Olútósìn. My name is Olútósìn, and I will see you in the next lesson. Ẹ ṣé o. Ó dàbọ̀ o. Bye.